Thanks to everybody who is subscribed and supporting this channel. If you're watching and enjoy these videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like. If you have any suggestions for future videos, make sure you leave a comment down below. Thank you for tuning in to Everything Valves, the channel dedicated to bringing you everything valves. Thank you for everyone supporting this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe for more valve videos. In this video, we're going to be looking at a 36-inch Class 150 Wedge Gate Valve. This valve is WCB by Trim 5, which Trim 5 means full hard face. Here you have your bonnet gasket surface. This is where your bonnet gasket will go. It's a very large one for this 36-inch. These right here are going to be your gate guides, and they help guide the gate down into the body to create the seal. As you can see, this is going to be your seat surface. This valve is a Trim 5 valve, so this material is Stellite material. It's important to make sure that this surface is even, smooth, in order to create a bubble tight seal. Here you have your bonnet and stem along with your yoke right there on the floor. The stem you can see right there goes all the way to the top. This is your yoke. So this is your yoke that mounts onto your bonnet right here. At the top of your yoke you have your gear mounting pad. This is where you can mount an actuator, a gear. This is your packing gland flange. This is your gland flange bolting. This here is your actual packing gland. And if you can see this right here, this is packing coming out from the packing gland being compressed. This area right here inside is where your packing is located. So when you compress this gland flange, it pushes the packing gland down, compressing all of the packing located here, preventing any leak up and out past the stem. This valve has some customizations with extra ports. These are little brass ball valves for mounting instrumentation and various piping equipment. This is your actual flex wedge gate. As you can see, this is your seat sealing surface. This is a Stellite material as well, just like what's on the seat sealing surface in the body. These are your gate guide grooves. This is going to be your slot for your stem here. How it would work is your stem would come in, you would put your stem in and slide it over, and inside there's an actual ridge to prevent it from sliding out. You can see this flex wedge is not a solid wedge. Here's another 36-inch 150 gate valve. Very similar. This is your bonnet gasket area. There's your seats in there. This seat design is a little different than the other valve. Here you have your gate, your stem slot, your seat sealing surface. This is your gate guide grooves. It's very identical to the other gate valve. This is your yoke here. Here at the top is your mounting flange. This is where your stem would actually come out. This is your gland flange here. Bolting. This is where all of your packing rings would be located and your stem coming out. And this is your bonnet, 36-inch Class 150 flex wedge gate valve.